Hi folks, we're going to take a look at number 10H from the Unit 6 Lesson 4 worksheet. So here they're asking us to factor 2x plus y squared minus 2x minus y squared. All right. Now, what I hope you notice, despite the fact that it looks a little more complex, is this in the end is just a difference of two squares, because this is obviously a perfect square. It's 2x plus y squared. This is subtracting another perfect square, 2x minus y squared. So it's of the form a squared minus b squared. And anytime you have a difference of squares, it factors very easily. It's just the first term plus the second term, and then the first term minus the second term. Okay, now since this is already written as two perfect squares, there's no work to be done. So here essentially our a is the 2x plus y and our b is the 2x minus y. So I can go ahead now and use my factorization. Now just to keep things a little simpler so I don't have too many brackets that look the same, I'll use square brackets on the inside. So the first one is 2x plus y and then plus 2x minus y. And then the second factor is going to be now the first minus the second. So 2x plus y minus 2x minus y. All right, so now we've completed the factorization of the difference of squares. The only thing that's left to do is to simplify these expressions because I see that there's like terms in each. All right, so let me do that here. So here I've got 2x plus 2x, so that's going to give me 4x. All right, and then here I've got y plus negative y. Well, y plus negative y is just the same as y minus y, so that's just 0. I don't have to write anything. Let's look at the next one here. I've got 2x minus 2x, so there's something else that disappears. And then I've got y minus negative y, which of course is the same as y plus y, in other words, 2y. And so in the end, this complicated expression simplifies to something incredibly simple. It's just 8xy. All right, so just to recap here, the trick to a lot of these more complex factoring questions is to recognize that they fit the format of something similar. Here I've got the difference of two perfect squares, so it's a difference of squares. I can easily factor it using my property for difference of squares. But of course, when you have more complex expressions, you may have to do some simplification. And in this case here, the simplification certainly simplified things quite a bit. Okay, that's it for this one.